Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our new video in which we have to differentiate this function x plus 2 power 1 by 3. It is called power function. And we have to evaluate it at x is equal to 6. First we are going to differentiate it. So it is power function. Power rule will come into play. Power will be brought in the beginning, then the function with power minus 1, then the derivative of the function without power. So this the rule called power rule is used here, and then it is 1 by 3 x plus 2 power. Now see that how is this evaluated. It becomes minus 2 by 3. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2 is 0. So then it is 1 by 3 can be written as x plus 2 power 2 by 3. Now we must know that this all is multiplying by 1, so that doesn't make any difference. So this is the derivative. This is the derivative we have to evaluate of the given power function. Now we evaluate it at x equal to 6. So d by dx of x plus 2 power 1 by 3 at x equal to 6 now is equal to, now the derivative is 1 by 3 x plus 2, x is 6 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Now we will simplify it. 1 by 3, 6 plus 2 is 8 power 2 by 3. Now this is 1 by 3, 8 is 2 cube power 2 by 3. This 3 cancels this 3, and after that we can see that this 2 power 2 to the power 2 makes 4. So this finally becomes 1 by 12. So this is answer. 1 by 12 is option B and is the answer. So I hope students that you know it well that this is @MDCAT presenting mathematics content, and hope you are enjoying learning with this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, share the video, hit the like button. Whether appreciation or criticism, I would like to listen from you and the comment box. So I shall be waiting for your comments. So please be an enthusiastic math learner and write a comment if you like the video, if you dislike the video, whatever. Write in the comment if you want to make some improvements in the channel, want to see some improvements. Please suggest those improvements also. And thank you for being patient listener and great audience, because without you this channel cannot do anything. You are the key people. You are the most important people here for this channel, actually for every content creator, but for this channel you are the great person watching this video till the end, enjoying learning mathematics.